Today I'm using 2 teas in one dish. How's that? I'm going to use the beautiful chamomile flowers. Now this is stunning. I love to drink it, but I find tea and chamomile are a match made in heaven. And then one of the infusions. In this one there's moringa, chili, cocoa and cardamom. Spices are great. Tea assists you to emulsify your food and therefore gives you great health. So what better way to be healthy than eat a great salad infused with Dilmah tea. Let's get started. All right, so there's 2 parts to this dish. One is the chicken, which I'm going to coat with chamomile flowers, fried garlic, and some onion salt, and then fry and chill. The other side is actually the salad. These 3 things here, the soybeans, the cranberries, and the mixed nuts, were all in a package called a superfood salad. Strips of zucchini, some heirloom tomatoes, and snow peas and sugar snap peas. And they're going to make the salad. I got some organic apple cider vinegar and I infused 3 bags into 150 mils overnight. First I'm going to make the salt to go on the chicken. The aroma of these pure chamomile flowers, I just want to show you how beautiful they are. I don't know whether many people ever look into your bag of tea, but I suggest you do with Dilmah tea because the only thing in there are the pure ingredients that they say. Fried garlic, and then the salt component will come from this onion salt. So just stick that in and then just give it a quick blend. So just liberally sprinkle this beautiful chamomile and garlic salt all over your chicken. Now what I need to do with this is actually to rest it and chill it. So once I've cooked it, then I'm going to put it in the fridge once it's cool and allow it to rest a little bit. Now the rest of this salt I'm going to keep because I'm going to sprinkle it on top of the chicken afterwards. The chicken will probably take you 5 to 7 minutes. So what happened was that chicken breast was so thick I thought I'd put it in the oven. It's been in for about 7 minutes and then pull it out. It's beautifully golden brown and cooked. It's cooked all the way through and now I basically need to put it away, let it chill, let all the flavors go in and then I can make my salad. Now I'm going to add all the other ingredients to this salad. So some beautiful soybeans, mixed nuts, pepitas, cranberries, some sugar snap peas and snow peas. Just crunchy, so when you cook them you just boil some water, have some ice on the side, drop them in, wait about 25 seconds and take them out. This zucchini, which I think is crazy. All right, I'm going to season that with some salt and pepper. And then a combination of this moringa, chili, coconut and cardamom vinegar. The flavor will come through so well. Olive oil as you do in a vinaigrette, and just a little bit of balsamic vinegar, but this is reduced thick balsamic, so it'll add some sweetness to it. And that just gets tossed around. Look at that. Just lots of colors, lots of flavors. Put that aside for a second, and now my chicken I need to slice. They always say cut any kind of meat against the grain because then it's more tender. We'll put a little bit of the salad on the bottom. Wow, the flavors are so good. The flavors of the ginger and the chamomile are now coming through. Put this chicken on. This chicken breast is enough for 2. Some of that juice, a little bit of the salt to bring out all the flavors. And really, that's a very simple salad using Dilmah's chamomile tea, but also Dilmah's moringa, chili, cocoa and cardamom. And that has been infused into vinegar. So healthy, tasty, delicious. Enjoy.